Hi everyone, welcome to the Cool Mathematics channel. In this video, we're going to see grade 9, chapter 3 Algebra, Introduction-2, okay, based on SAMACHEER. Degree of polynomial. Okay, now what's a degree of a polynomial? Now consider this is a polynomial, okay. Now, whichever the value is which is the highest power of the variable, we need to find out. Okay, the highest power of a variable in a polynomial will be the degree of the polynomial. Say for example, let's consider this. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. Okay, so these are all terms. 5 terms we have. So we need to find out the power for each and every term here. Okay, for the first term, 6a b power 8, okay, it's 8, 6a b power 8. So what is the power? Because these both, you have two variables here, a and b, so both you will consider and you'll find out the power. Okay, so for a the power is 1 and for b the power is 8, therefore it is 1 plus 8, therefore the power is 9. For your second term, we have three variables here, a square, b cube and c square. Okay, you will add all the powers here. So when you add all the powers, it will be 2 plus 3 plus 2. Therefore, the power here is 7. Now for the third term, ab, the power will be 1. For this term, the power will be 2 plus 1. So it will be 3. Okay, and this is a constant term. Okay, it doesn't have any power. It's a power 0. You can say it as 0 degree. Okay, it's a 0 degree term. Okay, now if you see here, which is the highest power here? 9 is the highest power. Therefore, the degree of this polynomial will be 9. Okay, so in a polynomial of one variable, the highest power of a variable is the degree of the polynomial. Okay. Next heading is standard form of a polynomial. How to express a given polynomial in a standard form you need to know. That is, writing a polynomial in either a decreasing order or decreasing order of the power of x will be the standard form. Okay, you will either write it in a decreasing order or the increasing order, okay, of the power of x. Now let's consider one example for the standard form. 4x cube plus 8x power 4 minus 7x squared plus 6 minus 9x. Okay, now it's a polynomial. Okay, so we need to write this in standard form. As I have already told you, you will write either in decreasing order or increasing order of the power of x. Okay, so which is the highest power here? 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So you will write it in that increasing order. So you will write either in increasing or decreasing order. So first we will write it in increasing order. 8x power 4 plus 4x cube minus 7x squared minus 9x plus 6. So I've written it in the increasing order. So this is also a standard form. Now let's write it in decreasing order. 5. Sorry, it can be anything. Okay, so it is 6 minus 9x minus 7x squared plus 4x cube plus 8x power 4. So if you see, I have written it in the decreasing order. So it can be either in decreasing or increasing order. Okay, increasing or decreasing order. So writing a polynomial in this format is called as a standard form of a polynomial. Okay, so this is a definition. This is how you will express it. So this way of writing a polynomial in the increasing or decreasing order is the standard form of polynomial. Okay. Next is classification of polynomial. So when talking about the classification, you have two classifications. Okay, you will classify the polynomial based on number of term and based on the degree. Okay, so you have two classifications. So one will be based on number of terms in the polynomial. The other one is based on the degree in the variable. Okay, based on terms in the sense when the polynomial has only one term, you call the polynomial as monomial. When the polynomial has two terms, you call it as binomial. And when the polynomial has 3 terms, you call it as trinomial. Okay, it goes on. Okay. And based on the degree, like if a polynomial, no, if a degree is 1, okay, if a degree is 1, then you call it as linear polynomial. When the degree is 2, you call it as quadratic polynomial. When the degree is 3, it is cubic polynomial. Okay, so these are all the classification based on terms, that is number of terms and the degree. You can write it like this. Okay, monomial is a polynomial with exactly one term. Okay, so if you see these expressions, there is only one term, right? Okay, so binomial, it has got exactly 2 terms. If you see here, 1 term, 2 term, r minus 3. So it has got 2 terms here, therefore it is binomial. If you see here, there are 3 terms here, therefore it is trinomial. Okay, so this is a classification based on number of terms. Okay, first classification. And this is second classification based on degree. Okay, when n is the, you call that n is equal to, n is the degree of the polynomial. Okay, when n is 0, it's a constant, because there will be no terms, there will be only constant, there will be no variables at all. Okay, so this is the constant polynomial. Okay, and when n is 1, when the degree of a polynomial is 1, then it is linear. When it is 2, it is quadratic, and when it is 3, it is cubic. If you see here, the highest degree is 1 here, right? Now what is the highest degree here? It is 2, because the highest degree will be the degree of the polynomial. Here the highest degree is 3, therefore it is called as cubic polynomial. Okay, now these are all the classifications.